This is day 25 of communication practice with ChatGPT. So let's spin her up. Looks like we have some network problem. Oh, morning ChatGPT.
Bạn có chuyện gì muốn chia sẻ không?
Yeah, first I want to talk in English, and second I want to practice communication. And today I want to be fluent in my speaking, but still be concise and structured. So how can I do that?
Mình có thể bắt đầu bằng cách đặt mục tiêu rõ ràng cho mỗi câu trả lời.
No,
Ví dụ,
speak in English.
Sure, let's practice. For example, pick a topic and try explaining your thoughts in a few sentences. I'll give feedback on clarity and structure.
You pick it and do the role play with me.
All right, let's say we're role-playing a scenario where you need to give a project update. You can start with a brief overview of the project's progress and highlight any major milestones. Give it a try.
Okay, so overall the project is on time, is on track. We have a deadline next weekend, and we already finished 80% of the work. However, there are some blockers with the UAT, and the developers is collaborate with team with the testers to work on that. That the status of the project.
Great start. Your update was clear and concise. Just a couple of suggestions. Instead of is on time, is on track, pick one phrase. Also, try the developers are collaborating with the testers. Otherwise, nice job.
Sure. Next question.
Let's do another scenario. Imagine you're asked about a challenge you faced in your project. Start by describing the challenge, how you addressed it, and the outcome. Give it a go.
So there are two types of challenge in the project: the collaboration challenge and the technical challenge. In the collaboration challenge, we are the middle of the whole process, so we have to depend on the upstream and we have to serve on the downstream, and the timeline is very tight, so that we have to run in parallel, and changing requirements happens a lot. And second, about the technical challenge, we we have to optimize those um, those in technical challenge. There are two other type. First, there is development, and second, there is operation. In development, we have to make sure that the pipeline is performant, and in the operation, we have to make sure that the pipelines run smoothly and reliably.
Good effort. You identify two challenges clearly. To make it more concise, try to group similar points. For instance, you could say, we faced collaboration challenges due to tight timelines and changing requirements, and technical challenges in optimizing both development and operations for smooth, reliable pipelines. Keep practicing.
Okay, I'm ready for the next question.
Great. Let's do a scenario where you're asked about a time you improved a process. Describe the situation, the steps you took, and the result. Go for it.
So normally, our process is um, we we have many different pipelines for with different patterns for different products, and uh, whenever we have to develop new pipeline for the new product, um, it's hard to design what pattern it should fall on and what the data flow should be. So I what I did was I create a centralized document um, to reduce the cognitive load of the team. So whenever we have to do the development or the monitoring or the operation, we can look up um, in the centralized. Okay, So yeah.